The 2018-19 season of the Red Stripe Premier League kicks off on Sunday as defending champions Portmore United entertain newcomers Mount Pleasant Academy at the Prison Oval. Simon Preston has our preview.
The last team to win the National Premier League back-to-back was Arnett Gardens after their triumphs in 2001 and 2002. Portmore United will now be looking to follow in their footsteps as they're hoping to begin their campaign with a victory at home over Mount Pleasant Academy. Home was a fortress for Portmore United last season after they registered 12 wins, 3 draws and 4 losses at the Prison Oval. Javan East top scored for Portmore United last season with 14 goals, and he'll be the one to watch this season. Head coach of Mount Pleasant Academy Donovan Ducky is eagerly anticipating this encounter.
We're looking forward to playing a high-tempo game against them. Portmore United, as you know, year to year is a very organized team, very disciplined team. It's not about the players or the staff, it's a project at Portmore that makes them exceptional. They're in high level of competition. They've played games in South America, in Honduras, a lot of different countries in the CONCACAF League of Nations club games. So we know that they're very sharp.
We just need to come out and do what we know and play to our strengths. And, we are confident in our preparation all off-season, pre-season, so we are all right.
Ducky says he's eyeing to start the campaign on a positive note.
In terms of our fitness level, it's not bad, but with more games, we'll be able to play more sharper. So we're looking for a high competitive game from Portmore United. It's important for us to get a result when we play away to them.
Cavalier, who were defeated in the semi-finals of the playoffs last season, travel west on the opening day as they face Reno at the Froome Sports Complex. Technical director at Cavalier, Rudolph Speed, is in two minds about his squad this season.
We have about 5 players in the national senior team. We have about the same 5 in the Olympic team and about 6 or 7 in the under 20 team. What has been happening, I've not been able to have all of these players at any one time to train since we started training the 1st of July. So the truth is, they have not been able to play together the unit that I want to play and gel as a team. But, as I said before, you could see that the players are taking instructions. Well, they are following instructions. They are following what we're doing at training. And we're very pleased about what happened. So we know that the first game is away against Reno. We go in there circumspect and hope to get a positive result.
Other games at 3:30 p.m. on Sunday will see 2014 and 2016 winners Montego Bay United hosting Tivoli Gardens at Westport Park.
We have been doing a lot of work on the players' attitude, and we are hoping to see some improvement in that area as we commence in the season. Going to Montego Bay, it's always a tough challenge, but I think that we are prepared. We are at about close to where we want to be to start the competition, and we will go there and give it our very best.
While UAFC entertain Harbourview at the Bowl. Newly appointed head coach of UAFC, Andrew Peart, is pleased with the blend of youth and experience in his squad this season.
Experienced players, Amal Knight, getting more games with the national team, Fabian McCarthy as well, Ryan Miller, Roisin Smith, Dino Schaff, those Kemar Flemings, those are experienced players, and we have the good young ones coming up with them.
In the 7 p.m. kickoff, 5-time winners Arnett Gardens take on Humble Lion at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Arnett's coach Jerome Waite is keen to start the season well.
Humble Lion naturally becomes, a rivalry for Arnett Garden, and it's always, high quality, high tempo game, and that is something that we are looking forward to, for the start of the season. And Humble Lion already, they themselves know that, it will be rumbling the jungle.
In the Monday night match of the week, last season's beaten finalist Waterhouse faced the other newly promoted outfit, Dunbeholden, at Drewsland. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.